What do you do when you can't remember a word? You search. What do you do when you're looking for something specific, but you don't know the industry terms? You keep searching. And searching. There is a better way to find the perfect search terms. Before you search. Subject's Word Engine. For example, I'm looking for a medical term that causes chest pain. So, I type what I can remember, which is the word chest pain. Then I click on Get Words. Then I get the 20 most important words related to chest pain in the online universe. Having found the word I couldn't remember, angina, I simply click on the magnifying glass next to the word, and the word drops down to my search box. How else does it help us? Let's say I'm searching animals that carry their young in a pouch, so I type kangaroo. Now in my results, I find the word wallaby, which was exactly one of the words I couldn't think of. When I click the word itself in white, it moves the word up to the Get Words research box. Now, I'll add the word family to my research query. Now, in these results, I see a scientific name that I don't recognize, so let's research it. By following a word path like this, I'm quickly able to find many ideal words to help me build the perfect search query. And when I find some words that I want to save for later, I can simply click on the paperclip and they'll stay in my clipboard. Now that we have found our ideal keywords, let's build a great search query by clicking on the magnifying glass icon. With a very relevant and specific keyword phrase, we get very specific and relevant results. And here it is, exactly what we were looking for. Thanks for looking into Subject's Word Engine. Remember, before you search, subjects